Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
No, should I bring your iPad? I'm gonna let you bring it or you decide to left it for me. You always bring your iPad and you decide to leave it with Aiden. Say you want to put Aiden. Huh? Wait, I'm gonna have to get this for you. Ah? That can't eat.
Want to find you want to follow the year or two. No, I follow not tell you that. Something I saw the line up before. DJ, get it down. You know what I'm following not tell you that. You want to scale out on the year, you know. Part them are gone. So it's a very good point I put
Show them here. Holding it down so they can see. Turn around, turn around. Show them here. Holding it down.
It's a line up here, you understand me?
Yeah. Yeah, well, you know, adults are allowed to speak and curse if they want to, Papa. They're adults. Gel? Oh, okay. Why you touch your chair for with your hand? Why you put it in that, take out the sweet out of your mouth? Don't take the sweet out of your mouth. Wipe your hand in my pants. Wipe your hand in my pants. And stop touching chair. Come over to me, Bobby. Come over to me. Come to me. Come closer to Simone. Don't touch anywhere with your hand, you hear me? No. Should I bring your iPad? I'm gonna let you bring it or you decide to left it for me. You always bring your iPad and you decide to leave it with Aiden. Say you want to put Aiden. Huh? Wait, I'm gonna have to get this for you. Ah? That can't eat.
Want to find you want to follow the year or two. No, I follow not tell you that. Something I saw the line up before. DJ, get it down. You know what I'm following not tell you that. You want to scale out on the year, you know. Part them are gone. So it's a very good point I put.
Show them here. Holding it down so they can see. Turn around, turn around. Show them here. Holding it down.
It's a line up here, you understand me?
Yeah. Oh, hi! You want to sit down now, Papa? No, you can't stay there. Don't do this, please. Okay. call and get back. See the phone here, Baba. Hold on your head. Hold on your hair. Hold on your head. Hold on your head. Yes. Okay. A boy club, okay. Okay. That sounds. It is like a best fighter. Okay, that's good. Oh. So when they reach back, they're just going to go. You know, so when they do no Saturday work today, realize so they don't Saturday work today, Jonathan. Realize so when they do no Saturday work today, right? We have not done any Saturday work today. You recognize? So we have to do it tomorrow, but tomorrow busy for me too. So. Okay.
Ain't doing no work today or tomorrow. I'm not going to break.
I love it. I love it. I love it, my baby. Why are you so crying like your mother? Don't do that, Jalil. People say that it's nasty, even though it looks cool.
He's been good, isn't he? I'm impressed with him.
Jalil, you have great hair. You know, say. If you have great hair, that would be so cool. Excuse me. I'm missing now. You know, show me. We're all done at the barber. Not you. Come. What? Toyota Probox. Waiting for the in-drive. What is it, Papa? No, not you. I'm talking to YouTube, but I need to tell them something about what happened today. Stop. Stop, yeah. Stop. So today, right, before I go get the boys' hair done, I always make my appointment before because of the two of them. My days are very, very weird. Even if I set like a 10 o'clock appointment, even though I hate being late, I always end up leaving late, especially when I have the boys, okay? So you guys, you know, see my man not going, so I couldn't even vlog half of the thing at the barbershop because Jonathan had the phone watching while I had Jalil in my lap and Imatrim in my lap. Imagine in my lap, and then one next barber, Jonathan. Having two barbers working on them at one time was such a breeze for me. I was like in and out of there really quick. I'm over there wait for no hours upon hours. That was an absolute blessing. So, alright guys, so I'm at the bus stop waiting for a taxi to go up to Greater Portmore to ship lashes, and I got an order for a belt. Shout out to you, babe. So I have to ship that off. I told you guys that large belts are finishing, right? I think I have about 20 or so large belts left. I did not order a lot of the larges at all, like little tubs of large my order. So when it's done, you know, and make my guy pop. So I'm just waiting for a bus now. It's kind of awkward. I don't know why it's awkward. I do this on a daily basis, but for some reason people watching me now it's weird. And I guess because I'm wearing too, because I don't dress like a normal human being. Oh my god. So and he's just staring at me over there like he just doesn't give a shit.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight, misbehave.
I don't know what the hell's going on in my life. They don't. So I'm going to ship early on Monday. Jalil have sports day. Alright, so apparently I don't use TLC anymore. But my card, my link still works. So I'm using my TLC card right now in Scotia ATM. Yes. in Jamaica. So I got to find my link and start posting it. Yes. Start posting it because I get like a $20 then I come on in the airport during the week when I come and I have nothing. No. So I'm glad I'm vlogging every day. Alright, here we go. Where's the funds? There we go. Thank you, Jesus. Blood cleanse. Katie. Thank you so much. This is yours. Thank you so much for your patience. You're expecting more?
Yeah, I was expecting about 12.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's...
Yes. I'm talking.
So I took an in-drive. We made 2 stops. I stayed less than 2 minutes for each stop. And them charge an additional $700. I never have no change thinking about my 2 bills change. So pre this. No, it's not.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in.
I don't go buy anything. Bye bye. You want to kiss me now? You're not even watching anything.
Okay, I'll watch it.
You're not watching it, Jaleel. Hi, mommy. Oh, well, past this time now. Jaleel, you can come stay with me? Jaleel, you can come stay with me. I go wipe off my makeup in the room. Yeah, stay with yourself? Alright, give me a kiss. I love you.
Yes, ma'am.
I love you, Papa.
I'm going. In the pool.
Yeah. I love you.
Okay.
I wipe off my makeup. Okay. Oh, Malcolm. Alright, so this is how I remove my makeup when I wear a lot of makeup. First of all, I remove my pomade lashes in Verna. These are on my website, shop.lyric.com. They're for $6, and I'm going to say it right now, I will be increasing the prices of the lashes to $8 because they're selling out, they're doing good. I'm really happy and I really want to capitalize on that. Okay, so I'll be increasing the price to $8, but it won't go up from the $8. I'm also in the process of reordering Latoya. I have to reorder Latoya, but I don't know how much of Latoya to reorder. I have to reorder Latoya. And there's another one I need to reorder, but Latoya definitely, because she's one of my favorite styles. She's absolutely amazing, and I wanted to put on the lashes for you guys, like with no makeup, for you to see how it looks. So lashes with makeup and without makeup. So for these tutorials, they'll go up with the lashes, and then I'm gonna have some. You know what I'm thinking too? No, I won't tell what I'm thinking. But yeah, so today I was standing at when I was waiting outside the ATM, and just I forgot I was just thinking, I said, boy God, I love you so much, isn't it? I said, I love you, I love Jesus, I love the Holy Spirit. Like, that's how I talk. I include everybody, isn't it? Because I believe like they're all individuals. That's how my mind works with Jesus. I believe like they're all individuals, and you know, I talk to them like separately. You know what I mean? Like I don't know, like that's just my little reasoning behind it. Oh no, I'm not gonna set up with someone those. Lord Jesus, what on there? Whenever I think, but it's a nice little thing though for set up. So I can probably do some tutorials here. some nice photo shoots here too. That'd be so cool, huh? So yeah, Holy Spirit, there was something I was thinking that I want to talk to you guys about. Yes, I got a DM. Thank you, Holy Spirit. I got a DM from a girl that said that she's going through something and she feels like she's about to lose her mind and she really don't know what to do, and it's like she has done everything she could, and I felt that way as well, that I've done everything that I could, and it's like I don't know what else to do, whether it be legally, illegally. It's like anything me able to do it do, and I don't know what else to do. You see me? We've all been at that place before where you feel like you don't know what else to do. You see, in that moment, pray. No, when I was thinking to say that, I was like, God, that's so generic. Is it me? Pray. But you ever just tired of something? I just want it to open somebody. And when the person, I'm sorry, you are the person that your friend are coming to and talk to you about, and to all them attack, you just want help. Don't you want help? You know, for help, but you want it because them attack, don't it? Oh my goodness. God knows that you have need before you even ask Him. Alright, that's one. So people argue, why ask? If God knows what I want, why ask? You don't even know Him. Una love talk, oh God, like una know Him, una familiar, una have an idea, una don't know Him, una just talk about Him, una talk about how could a God do this, how could a God not do that, because you've been misinformed. Being created again in God's image and likeness, the communion that you have with Him is raw. It has been removed through cultures. It has been removed through how we've been brought up. It has been removed. Them say God a universe. Them say the creation was one big atom bomb. Imagine the power of God. So unexplainable. All you could describe it as is a bomb. That's all you could describe it as, was a bomb. It is not God's will for any man to perish. When you get into those times when you feel like there's nothing else you can rather do, for ball out to God, no. Because remember say you did a, remember not do this, but remember just talk. Remember say you did a ball out to him and did a prayer and nothing happened. That's the usual point. No, don't it hard. Then ball out one more time, mama. I promise to God, so Him not gonna ever leave you. Him not gonna ever forsake you. None of that foolishness. You don't have to be comfortable knowing that God loves you, because whether or not you're comfortable with the thought, He still does. I've been saying how the sacrifice Jesus made was a sacrifice that I'm just like, you didn't have to. In the Bible, Him said Him could have called down 10,000 angels, or no, I think it's 1,100 legions or something like that. I'm like, you have all that power, and you really make them do that to you? God is always faithful. I am where I am because at my lowest point, God is the only person, thing, God, entity, being, whatever you describe Him as, that I look to. You see what people call the third eye? I call the Holy Spirit. So when I'm having conversations and them say the third eye, I'm like, oh, the Holy Spirit. But I'm not going to voice that because they are having a different experience. In my experience, I know it's the Holy Spirit. And I know that He will get to them. In their experience, they know it's the universe and they know the universe will get to me. You understand what I'm saying? Like each other, I know, and respect each other enough. Respect. You know who showed no respect? The Sadducees and Pharisees. No respect whatsoever. Because remember when Jesus said, I don't understand how not tell people themselves to do this and for do that, and I know so the bird never for do it. Him said not only can do it. Or not pressure the people them to do it. That's what Jesus said. And then with that thing about in a Moses too, in the Bible with and Moses alone did I run everything, you know? In the Bible, until him father come and I say, your brother, you can't run yourself so red. And all me do them, I say, so God, I don't know if me too dig that man, yeah. In father, I don't know if me too dig him. Come here, so why you never said that to Moses? Why you never said that to Moses? Because I remember saying, no, I don't know what I got through Moses. Because remember initially Moses never wanted to do nothing. Somebody calling me, hold on. Apparently the number ring was a wrong number because the person just why they calling but them phone a ring off. Oh, I used Vaseline a while ago to take off my makeup. and it's good for the skin as well. I realize it make my skin really, really soft when I use it too. The Vaseline. I forgot what I was saying about Jesus.
Or the meeting that she had. Or the meeting.
But I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I wanted to do like a daily life up, but there's a lot of footage. And I don't know if you guys are going to enjoy this because I haven't done this vlog style, you know, where I'm just talking. I don't want you guys to get bored. That's why I'm trying to, you know, have the makeup tutorial in it and stuff. I just don't want you guys to get bored watching my videos, because left up to me, I would just talk, which I don't know if it's something that you guys would want me to do, is it me? So yeah, so the boys, they got their hair done. What else? Went to the post office. It was closed. So I go in there Monday I just use sports day, so I have that for the Monday. So after sports day Monday, then I go post office, and after post office I go to Kingston, go deliver some belt and some lash. So yeah, so that's like everything. This is the glue on my eyes. I have a little vulnerable moment to share as we near this vlog. Coming to cut. Anyway, no, I won't share. That's a little bit vulnerable. But just know that I'm working on me. Okay, I'm working on me. I see a comment about my skin. Doesn't make it any easier, but I'm working on me. Alright, guys, I'm done. I don't want to ramble. This is the end of this vlog. Yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for the orders. Thank you. Oh, and Rakisha isn't sold out. So I forgot which video I put. I don't know if it's this one or the one before this one. So I am going to make adjustments on the website. Sorry, I had another thought while having that one. All right.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.